Welcome back to Safe Lane USA. Today we're taking a deep dive into the 2025 BMW i4, a luxury electric sedan that's redefining what it means to drive a performance EV. Blending classic BMW styling with cutting-edge electric technology, the i4 is one of the most exciting vehicles in BMW's lineup, offering something for both driving purists and tech enthusiasts alike. Let's break down the interior, exterior, performance, and pricing to see if it lives up to the hype. Starting with the exterior, the 2025 i4 carries a bold yet familiar BMW design. The long hood and sleek coupe-like silhouette give it a sporty look, while the closed kidney grille, a signature of BMW's electric models, adds a futuristic touch. The front end is sharp and aggressive, with adaptive LED or optional laser headlights. Along the sides, the sculpted panels and aerodynamic lines help reduce drag, and flush door handles enhance efficiency. Around back, you'll find a subtle spoiler integrated into the lift-back design, and slim LED taillights that complete the i4's dynamic appearance. It's stylish, refined, and unmistakably BMW. Inside the cabin, the 2025 i4 delivers a premium experience that's both luxurious and digital-forward. The centerpiece is the curved display that integrates a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster with a 14.9-inch infotainment screen, powered by BMW's latest iDrive 9 software. It's responsive, voice-activated, and supports over-the-air updates. Materials are top-notch throughout, with options like vegan leather, open-pore wood, and brushed aluminum. The front seats are sporty yet comfortable, with multi-way adjustability, heating, and ventilation. Rear passengers enjoy solid legroom, thanks to the EV platform's flat floor design. The ambient lighting system offers customizable colors, and the optional Harman Kardon surround sound system completes the high-end atmosphere. Performance is where the i4 truly shines. The base eDrive 40 model delivers 335 horsepower with rear-wheel drive and a 0 to 60 time of about 5.4 seconds. For those wanting more excitement, the M50 model comes with dual motors producing up to 536 horsepower with launch control, taking you from 0 to 60 in just 3.7 seconds. The ride is smooth but sporty, with adaptive suspension and excellent road feedback. Range is impressive as well, up to 320 miles on a full charge for the eDrive 40, and around 270 miles for the M50. DC fast charging can get you from 10% to 80% in just over 30 minutes. Pricing for the 2025 BMW i4 starts around $53,000 for the eDrive 40, while the high-performance M50 model begins at approximately $68,000. Fully loaded, expect it to top out just under $80,000. Thanks for watching Safe Lane USA. If you're into premium electric vehicles with performance DNA, the BMW i4 deserves a serious look. Be sure to like, subscribe, and tap that bell for more real-world reviews every week. See you in the next one. Welcome back to Safe Lane USA. Today we're taking a deep dive into the 2025 BMW i4, a luxury electric sedan that's redefining what it means to drive a performance EV. Blending classic BMW styling with cutting-edge electric technology, the i4 is one of the most exciting vehicles in BMW's lineup, offering something for both driving